Hi everyone, welcome back again to the FortiGate series of videos. We stuck over a problem. What is the problem? That how we can able to find the IP address to access the GUI of firewall, graphic user interface of firewall. Basically, port 1 is by default assigned as the GUI port. So the IP address available on the port 1 assigned by this management port is the GUI IP. So what you have to do, you have to go to the port 1 and check the IP address allotted to the port 1 via this management interface. And when you connect the firewall with this management interface, never forget to set management cloud over here. So management cloud is basically used for the GUI access of firewall. So GUI access will be taken by the port 1. So the problem is that if I go to the firewall, login, I can't able to see the IP address assigned on port 1. So how you can find the IP address of port 1 so that I can able to take the GUI access of firewall. For that, you have to put a command diagnose IP address list. So this command is used to get the IP address of the firewall to access via GUI. So the first IP address is basically provided to the port 1. The IP address is provided to the port 1 and the IP is 192.168.92.129. So in browser you have to put this IP address. So I can directly able to access the firewall via GUI by putting this IP. So I have to put the username and password and login. Okay. But sometimes many students told me, sir, we can't able to get the access via this procedure, via this IP address. Still, I cannot able to open this GUI access. What is the possible issue? The possible issue is that you are not allowed the permission on interface. So what you have to do, you have to enable some services on the port number 1. How we can enable the port number 1 services? You have to go to port number 1 setting. How we can to do that? Put a command config system interface. In interface, you have to put a command edit port 1. In port 1, you have to allow some permissions to take the access via GUI. Well, we generally take the access of GUI by the help of HTTP protocol or either HTTPS protocol. So please do remember to allow these two services before opening the IP address in the browser. So how I can do that? Just go to the port number 1 settings and put a command set allow access for HTTPS, HTTP, ping, SSH, telnet. So allow these services. If you will allow HTTP or HTTPS, so you can able to ping the IP address via browser. In response of that, you can able to use the GUI on your browser. Let me put enter over here. The access will be allowed now and this issue will not be there. So now you can able to open the firewall with the help of IP address. So that is all about the GUI axis of firewall. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Have a nice day.